Hi everyone, this is Riaz Ahmed Safi. I have a bachelor and a master degree from a very well-known university in United Kingdom. Currently, I am a lecturer at 2 private universities. This course, Entrepreneurship, is one of the core subject of Bachelor of Business Administration or those who are studying BA Honors. It's a most important thing. I'm sure definitely when you want to become an entrepreneur or if you want to become a businessman in the future, this course will help you to achieve your dreams. As a businessman, you have to know what is the business plan, your marketing plan, your financial plan, the challenges that you might face, the sources, everything. So in this course, we have covered all these important topics. So for all those students who want to become a very good businessman, successful businessman in the future, this course is must for you.